All right, everyone. So I'm on my next day. So the goal today is to try to get the walls put up. I'm working on the first one now. I have to replace the bottom support and then get it cut down to length. So I got it all taped out where the wall is going to go, where the door is going to be. It's going to be a 7-foot door I'm going to build for it. So 3.5 feet each door, so that would be plenty of room to be able to get plywood in and out or whatever projects I'm working on. That should be plenty big enough. Yes, right now I'm just getting this base put onto the wall. I'm gonna get the wall cut down to size and try to get it moved over to the spot. Just gotta figure out exactly what I'm gonna do to secure it, whether to just attach it to the beam and across, or if I want to glue it down as well. May glue it down. That wouldn't be that big of a deal, just a bead of construction glue or something, but well, let's get back to it. update is going good. We got the 2 walls put up. They're not screwed into place yet. I need to get some contractor glue to put on the bases to get the bases down. Then we're going to attach them to the walls. And then I got to create the boxes for the tops to secure them to the joists. I got wood coming to make the header. Kind of got things somewhat laid out. Got the miter station, table saw, which is all I really have at the moment. But I will be having a stained glass area over here. The miter saw station is going to be shrunken about 10 inches or so with built-in storage, a permanent structure for the miter saw instead of a swing down type thing. You gotta still figure out exactly how long I want it to be. I will have air filtration. Don't have one of the small little cyclone dust collection systems for the time being till we get the main thing, which we actually have a room on the other side of this wall, which it'll be going through there along with the air compressor. It's coming along. We got the Tyvek coming in to put on the walls for most likely we're doing spray installation. I got to take out these 2 lights, replace them with LEDs. There's going to probably be about 10 in here, I believe I said earlier. And I don't know how many we're going to put on the other side of it. Yeah, so right now I'm just kind of trying to clear off my table saw so I can use it as a workbench, so I can start making the boxes to go up top. Yeah, I mean that's how it's going right now. I'm just kind of at a standstill while waiting for supplies to get here, and then I'll be able to keep going. And like I said, I'm hoping to get the walls installed today. I may not get the headers put in today, or I want to get the header put in. I may not get the boxes up top put in. But if I can at least get the walls attached today, that would be a successful day for me. We've gotten a lot done so far, so I'm very, very pleased with all that's been getting done. Well, tomorrow, hopefully get the rest of the boxes put in and hopefully get all the Tevlac, the house sealing paper, because they said when they sprayed on the insulation on walls, it will stick to the metal, which will not come off. So we got to put the Tevlac down, if that's what it's called. I can't remember. I'm tired. So we will see. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe and hit that like button. And to be notified of my next videos, hit that bell. See you next time.